Hello everyone, welcome to my channel today. I'm Tara with Piece of Tara Artistry. Thank you for joining me. I am working on an 18 by 24 inch canvas today, and I am painting my edges with the Modern Masters Champagne because I don't want to get canvas show through because I am dealing with some darker colors today and they are thinner. So this is the Raw Umber and Van Dyke Brown. This is the same added titanium white, burnt sienna with some titanium white, and the Modern Masters Champagne. And I will be working with one other color here that I didn't show. That's this one. It is that same raw umber mixed with Van Dyke Brown, and then just even more of the titanium white. So all of these browns that I'm using as the base are going to be mixed with the satin enamel recipe for a pearl pour. So what I'm doing is I'm laying these paints down, and this is a commission piece, and the person that commissioned it, it's a previous client of mine, and she wanted a moon inspired, like a sepia colored moon inspired painting. So I, wasn't, at first I just thought she wanted the sepia colors, but in actuality, she really did want a moon incorporated in that. So I did a previous pour, and you probably saw it a few weeks ago. That was my first attempt, and now that I've gotten more clarity on exactly what she wanted, I am now laying my paints down to kind of get like I was thinking like a foggy, hazy, like sepia moon background, so that I can do the moon in the actual texture. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sorry about the glare here, but I am tilting this out really slowly because I don't want the composition to get too messed up, because I really am kind of looking for that kind of hazy look, sort of like I don't know how to even explain it, but at the end, in the end results, I kind of will explain it a little bit more once it's finished, but it did actually turn out really, really cool. I really liked it. The client really loved it. So I hope you guys enjoy this one too. I am speeding this up a bit because otherwise we would be here all day watching this, and we don't want that to happen. We can fast forward a little bit. So just adding a little bit more of the satin enamel to get like the lines that I'm looking for my underneath base coat, because basically what this is going to do is having those layered one on top of another is going to create these peacock pearls that are really cool. So I am going to now lay down my burnt sienna mixed with white, and this does not have satin enamel in it at all. This is just my Floetrol, GAC 800, and paint mixed, and I do mix in a liquid to thin these down. And I did mention what that is over on my Patreon. So a little bit later, I'll kind of show you how to get to my Patreon, what's involved in it. But yeah, I did kind of do an exclusive video over there showing what I use to thin things down. Now, you can use water. Water works perfectly. I just prefer to use something with a little bit more binder. So I am going to tilt this around and basically stretch and pour that paint off so that the pearls can pop through. I am stretching this one a little bit differently than I normally do because I do want that kind of corner to corner hazy look that I was telling you about. Because normally I will tilt in a circle, but for this one I really was kind of going for that hazy look. So I was trying to keep that composition in this one. So I'm going to pop back in a minute when I'm done tilting this. Now you'll see that I'm pouring the paint off, and on this top edge you'll see it's starting to get thinner, and you're going to start seeing the underpainting. And then on that right portion over there, you can see the pearls already starting to pop up. Now when that happens, I usually will try and get my painting, my paint back to center. I will pour off the part that I poured off last. I will now tilt that to center until I start seeing the paint on the edges start to show through and the pearls start popping up, and then I will set it down. Now on this one, I did a little bit of an experiment, and I really actually like how the pearls turned out. The more paint you leave on the canvas, the less pearls you're gonna get in like the center where there's the most paint. Usually in those areas the pearls tend to be bigger as well, for whatever reason. But here we go. This is the Patreon, patreon.com, and then you go to find a creator, type in Pieces of Tara, and then that will pop up on the list. Click on that and you can see you can join for free. I will have some content, not a lot, but some content for free. Tells you a little bit about me. This is a great way to be able to support me to continue to make these videos for you guys. There's one level, it's $25 a month, and you get monthly Zoom question and answers. You get a private Facebook group. You get exclusive videos. There's challenges. So this is just some of the content that I have on there now. I've really been building the content. That's the video that is exclusively on there. And then you will get, with each of your memberships, you will get 2 long form videos, tutorials per month. So this video here that I'm showing you now is going to be in a long form video on my on this Patreon group, with a few more instructional things and some parts that I cut out of here. So this is a time lapse for the pearls. They are really, really cool. You can see in this close up, they're multicolored. There's some really interesting reactions happening here. I'm loving these pearls in here. I think they just turned out really, really cool. I love how the multicolors, you see a color and a color with that peacock pearls. So I will be teaching this technique at the Fluid Art Experience in March 14th through 16th. I have 2 pearl classes. I have 3 texture classes that I'm doing as well. So one of the classes is the pearl, peacock pearls here, or an advanced pearl class. And then the other that I'm teaching is the scales, which is what I am going to show you now, how I embellish this with the moon scales. So I just took a bowl and drew a circle about the size that I wanted around it, and now I'm starting my design. I want the scales to kind of go in a circular motion. So I did have a boo-boo here, and I ended up having to scrape it off. In the long form video you will see that, and you'll see why I did that. But here I'm just gonna go ahead and go all the way around, continuing to turn my palette knife a bit with each scale and make that moon shape. Okay, so here is the final result. I'm really pleased with it. The client loved it. I think it turned out really well. Kind of see that hazy sky look that I was kind of going for. Actually, even kind of looks like there's a mountain side there. So I really loved it. Let me know what you guys think. There are a couple of opportunities for in-person instruction coming up. First one being December 7th at the Inky Blues Art Center in Two Rivers, Wisconsin from 4 to 6. That's just a basic fluid art class. And then, of course, we have the Fluid Art Experience, March 14th through 16th. There'll be 6 opportunities, including the 2 techniques that I shared with you guys today. And then lastly, there is an opportunity May 23rd through 26th next year that we are working out the details and will be announced soon. So thank you guys for being here today. If you have any questions, always please reach out. If you're not already subscribed, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're notified each time I put out a new video. And head over to my Patreon and see what I have on there. And it's just an amazing way to support. So thank you all and have a great day.